Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're doing a review of Woebot Health, which is an AI-powered mental health platform. You see, one of the biggest problems users face is the long wait time of 2 to 3 months to get professional help that they need. Woebot bridges that gap by offering mental health support at scale. When you look at the pricing, Woebot has no subscription fee. It is currently available only in the US and is accessible through healthcare providers, insurance plans, and business benefits. Organizations interested in providing the service to employees can fill out a query form on their website and get customized plans and support. When we look at the features, Woebot's biggest USP is that it can provide in-the-moment support, even if a user needs help at 2 a.m. The app facilitates therapy-based conversations that help users with emotional regulation and mood management. These conversations are based around cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, interpersonal psychotherapy, IPT, and dialectical behavioral therapy, DPT. They are used as approaches and are written together with clinical experts, offering the best of technology and human understanding. When we look at Additionally, it also has self-help tools for stress and anxiety, like mood tracking, gratitude journaling, mindfulness practices, and more, all designed to address unsolved behavioral concerns. When we look at the reviews, Woebot has a Google Play rating of 4.7 stars. Users who have been through cognitive behavioral therapy already and want to keep up the work swear by the app. Equally important, they see that the conversations are very natural and human. It will not take the place of a therapist, but super useful in finding cognitive distortions and things like that in your thinking, sums up one reviewer. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today.